Hey there, I'm Luke the Cooking Camper along with Zena the Glamper Camper. We are just chilling out in the sun, but we're about to hop inside and try out a new cooking gadget. We have this really cool little pizza pan that we got at Kohl's. Let's go try it out. So to try out our new pizza pan, of course we need to make a pizza. Right here I've just got a basic frozen pizza. We're just going to unpackage this and put on some extra cheese. I put on a lot of extra cheese to see if the cheese that fell off the pizza and onto the pan would burn and get stuck. Now on the back of the pan it just has some brief little instructions and care tips. Just says that you can't bake over 450 degrees, and it tells you how to clean the item, and it tells you what kind of utensils to use. Now back to the pizza. Now this pan did make me have to add a little bit of cooking time to the pizza, but it did turn out nice and the pizza did not stick to the pan at all. The easiest part was sliding the pizza off onto my cutting board. It came right off and none of that extra cheese stuck. You just gotta dump it off into the sink or into the trash, and to clean it is even easier. Just take a little bit of warm water and a soapy rag and just barely wipe it all off. Everything came off right away. That texture ensured that absolutely nothing stuck to this pan. I will definitely be using this to make some more pizzas on. I'll have the Kohl's link in the description. Well, thank you very much for watching this video. If you liked it, make sure to give us a big thumbs up, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to hit that bell so that you see the next time we upload a new video. Get out and enjoy nature and food as much as we do. Have a great one.